Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the introducing of the iPhone 16 Pro. The new feature of the iPhone 16 Pro are introduced. The ultra-wide camera is upgraded to 48 megapixel for detailed photo, while the front camera is made smaller to provide more screen specification. The dynamic island display important information and the device is made more durable with the titanium alloy. The A8 Pro chip is described as the most powerful in a smartphone, allowing a user to capture stars like a new photo with the astrophotography mode. The iPhone 16 Pro also boasts a remarkable water-resistant and long-distance battery, as well as a new Super Retina XDR display for stunning bright visuals. Additionally, iPhone 16 Pro comes in a new size with the more screen real estate. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.